I can stay here all day, especially because it's cold. 3, 2, 1, voila, guys, voila, off, put the door, and that's it. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, first of all, to be here with me today. It's going to be something a little bit different, something but always about pizza. So first of all, thank you so much again to be here and dedicate your time for me. Like you can see, I have the jacket because it's a little bit cold, but nothing stopped me to make videos. Nothing. Today we are here, like you can see here, we have a unicoda. So most of you guys have like some oven similar to this one. If it's not this one, you have some other type of oven or your house, or something to play with the pizza. But today I'm here. I'm going to show you one of the most amazing, smallest pizza oven in the world. So it's like having a pizza oven for your it's like having the same pizza oven big at the pizza place, but they made it for the house. So if you became like a really pizza lover and you want to go and level up, step up, you are making pizzas a little bit more than 1 or 2 and becoming a little bit more professional, today this is your video, because I'm going to show you the perfect oven to step up and going in the level up. Yes, level up. I mean level up, becoming a pizza pro, because you're gonna surprise your loved one, your friends, your family. Pizza is a serious thing. Pizza is lifestyle. Yes. So it's not just pizza, because I'm going to show you one of the most amazing, smallest pizza oven you ever see in internet. Yes. And then of course at the end I'm gonna link it below. So let's see what we are talking about. Stay tuned and take a look. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Voila! Guys, take a look of this beast. Yes, this is a beast of oven, guys. Take a look of this beast. It's something outside the world. It's like having a pizza place oven at your house. Yes, guys, I present to you ZIO CIRO Mini. It's outstanding. Oh, check out on the website ZIOCIRO.com, because it's a real beast of a pizza oven. It's made out of all stone. It keeps the temperature. Is with gas. You can put wood. I'm going to show you in my future video how this oven will cook with the wood, because having a wood and gas option, it's amazing, because you bring it at the hot temperature and then you put a little piece of wood and then you can cook. ZIO CIRO. It comes with the instruction, all the instruction, and that's it. That's pretty much it, because the oven it's already made. You don't need to use your hands or any tools. You just plug in the gas and you can make some of outstanding pizza. But guys, not only pizzas, you can cook so many things, because you see we have a door here. We have an amazing door. Even the door is nice. Nice little oven, looks like my little son right here. Then boom, you close it and you are able to cook the focaccia, the bread. I mean guys, more than this, you have a small oven like exactly at the pizza place, just in your backyard. Also, you can put it also indoor, because this is the hood. You can connect this with the hood outside. Boom, you have an oven like inside the pizza place. So now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put my jacket on. I'm ready to show you a review of this oven. I'm ready to show you how this oven will cook, because it's outstanding, and then I can't wait to show you, because I asked this company to have this oven because I love it. I love it. Look at this, how small it is. Take a look. See, it's my little ball right here. Outstanding. So let me get ready, and then boom, I'm gonna get in-depth review of ZIO CIRO mini oven. Are you ready? Leave a nice thumbs up. Nice thumbs up and subscribe right here, because I'm going to make a lot of videos. So let me get ready. Boom, voila. There we go. And now let me put this down, and now the ingredient. Here we go. Like you can see, it's more important to get ready with ingredients than stretching the pizza, so making the dough ready, because to be able to make a perfect pizza, you have to have the ingredients ready. Otherwise, the pizza will stick. If you leave the pizza there with the sauce and you go walking around, boom, the pizza sticks. You have to make another one. So that's tip number one. Voila! We are going to make a special pizza with a nice sausage fresh that I'm going to cook in this beast of oven. So let me get you close to this oven. Like you can see how good quality is made. It's made in Italy, guys. Made in Italy, made in Sardinia. I personally went there to the company and see with my eyes and see with my hands how this oven was made. Yes, take a look at this video. See, I went to the company, I see how they made it. Actually, I made it with my hands. So I can tell you personally that this oven is made in Italy, different from other companies. That's what makes the difference. It's made by hands. It's made with good materials. It's made, and then you are going to notice the difference between a regular pizza with an outstanding pizza, outstanding touch, the texture, because the oven is really important. The first thing to do here on the oven is fire up the oven at the max temperature. Here you go. This is how you fire up. See, you have two speed, small flame and high flame. What I suggest to you to fire up this oven, this beast oven, it goes up to temperature just 30-35 minutes. But what I always suggest to fire up the oven 1 hour before at the max temperature, then you close the door. Guys, the oven is been warming up, so now it's been warming up for about 15 minutes, but in the meantime I'm ready to cook this fabulous sausage with the high flame in the oven. So let's go ahead, let's open up. See, it doesn't get hot, so I can tell you already that's hot. It's ready with amazing ingredients. So let's go ahead and let's put the sausage in. Boom, just like that. Keep it there until it's cooked. For the dough recipe, of course, take a look. 70% of hydration is the best. And then take a look. Oh my god. For this type of dough, check out my other videos. Now guys, is the right time to subscribe. It's never a wrong time. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead. Let's get ready. The sausage is cooking. Let me check. High temperature. Voila, take a look. Nice and smoky. This is the perfect, it's the perfect way to cook the ingredients. You don't need anymore the home oven. Turn it up, boom, couple of times. Take a look. Nice stone. The hood. It's like I feel in my pizza place with this oven. And of course, I didn't say that comes with a few different colors. Now is the right time. If you're interested, check out all the links below, or go ahead on the website and you choose your own oven. Make sure, go in the level up, become a pizza pro with subscribing to my channel. It's totally free. Go ahead. Can't wait. The sausage is fabulous. Woo! Fabulous ready. But I want to tell you something really important. You notice that the oven is good when you can put your hands on top. Take a look. Because it's made with insulation. Once you can put your hands on top here, you don't get burned. That means the insulation of the oven is made perfectly, and then the heat stays inside the oven. That means that the pressure of the heat will cook better your pizza. I'm not joking. I want to show you how it is. See? I'm not getting burned. And the oven is hot, trust me. This is about 400 Celsius right now. I can stay here a whole day, especially because it's cold. Okay, besides that, let's make the pizza. Okay guys, it's finally time to make the pizza. Here you go. So let's dump a little bit of flour on the floor, on the base here. Then let's get then pay attention to this step. Once you have it, boom, upside down right there. Take a look. Let's stretch the pizza in the flour gently. Tuck, 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 tuck. Take a look how much air is in the dough. Then one time on top, flour out, boom, then boom, down. Take a look how much air. Once you have this big bubble right here, you make a hole because otherwise they're going to get black. So once you have like this, we're gonna make a white pizza, which is my favorite. So base of olive oil, little bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay. Voila, base of mortadella. Let's get our nice sausage. Extra sausage. This is I love this. But of course, guys, you can make a white whatever you want. Now some fresh mozzarella on top. Voila, my favorite. And to finish, little bit of pepper. Not too much. Voila, and again, little bit of olive oil. This is homemade olive oil from my grandfather. Voila. Nice. Make sure you do this before putting it in the oven. Little bit of flour, then you go under. Just like that. Now we're ready. Peel, little bit of flour on top of the peel, just like that. Then pinch it, and then boom, peel under. Once you have it here, you go ahead and make a little bit bigger because we want a 12-13 inches pizza. Then let's go ahead, let's open up the door of the oven. Voila. And now let's go. The magic happened. Now we're gonna lower down the flame at speed 1. And now we cook like at a pizzeria. We wait that the top part there will cook. I'm not gonna edit the time. This way you see the time. Dissi, prendi questa telecamera, attenzione, non stoppare. Prendila e portala qua, veloce. No, toglila, non mettere le mani sull'obiettivo. Vai. So I'm not gonna edit the time.
Aspetta.
So like you can see, the pizza is cooking. The pizza is fabulously cooking. Let's move this on the side right here. Wow! Besides that the dough is good, the pizza is cooking well. And then I'm gonna show you next how to cook it with wood. How this oven will cook with wood. So it's about to be ready, like at the pizzeria. We wanna cook it nice and well. Oh my God! Wow! And guys, the pizza is fabulous done. Take a look of the pizza. La ciliegina sulla torta. and then we are ready to rock and roll and show you. Let me get you the light, and voila guys, take a look of the pizza. Nice, soft and crunchy in the same time. Guys, it's time to subscribe and leave a nice thumbs up for the love of the pizza. Now, I'm going to show you the inside and the taste. So we're not over yet, stay until the end. If you want to see how this beast will cook with wood, comment below. It's time. Let me cut it and let me get you inside the pizza. So, simply how you turn it off, just go ahead. Voila, off, put the door, and that's it. Simply. And then just turn it off the gas, just to make sure. And this is how you finish and you clean up the oven. That's it. Simply. If you have any question, of course, I'm here to answer to you, so comment. And then let's go ahead, let's cut this pizza. Scissors, this way we don't make the crust disappear. This is a Napoletana DOP, denomination of original protection. Oh my god, take a look of this slice. And this is the right time. Come here, the sausage. Wow. My mouth is watering. Take a look at the bottom. Nice, perfect, look like at the pizza place. Look at the fragrance of the pizza though. It's like cooking the pizza in the wood burning oven. Amazing. A pizzeria in your house. Guys, I invite you all to become a master pizza pro chef at your house. I invite you all to become a professional, a pro pizza maker like me. Just watch my videos, everything is free. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.